Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II.
Next is XPath Axes. An axis represents a relationship. That relationship depends on the current node, and it is used to find other nodes like a parent node, sibling node, or child node. There is a total of 13 XPath Axes. In alphabetical order, the XPath Axes are number 1, ancestor. Number 2, ancestor-or-self. Number 3, attribute. Number 4, child. Number 5, descendant. Number 6, descendant-or-self. Number 7, following. Number 8, following-sibling. Number 9, namespace. Number 10, parent. Number 11, preceding. Number 12, preceding-sibling. And number 13, self. Here is the syntax for an XPath Axes. Axis specifies the tree relationship between current node and selected nodes. The two colons separate an axis and node. The node identifies the tag name, and index is not required. It specifies the node sequence. We are going to cover the following and preceding XPath Axes. The preceding axis select all tag names before the current node, and following selects all the tag names after the current node. Let's pick up where we left off after using XPath functions. Right now, we have already found the first name label. To use the preceding XPath Axes, we write 2 forward slashes. Next is the preceding axis. 2 colons. Then the tag name. The tag name depends on the elements we are looking for. How about the link element, which has an A for anchor as the tag? This query returned 177. The index is optional, but let's narrow our search down to link text by writing 1. 1 represents the first anchor that precedes the first name label. To select partial link text, we write 2 because it is 2 elements before the first name label. The next axis is following. Let's select all of the input tags after years of experience. Inspect years of experience. We see a label tag name. Let's write 2 forward slashes, label, brackets, @ symbol. There are 2 attributes, class and for. If we use class equal control label, then the query returns 3 elements. 1, 2, 3. Years of experience, profession, profile picture. Therefore, let's use the for attribute. FOR, EXP. Now we see 1 of 1 for years of experience. Then write 2 forward slashes, following, 2 colons, input. There are 20 input elements following years of experience. Search, 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 search. Some of the elements are the radio buttons for years of experience, date picker, manual tester, automation tester. That's how we select web elements using XPath Axes. You can download the cheat sheet and transcript at tinyurl.com, Selenium locators for web elements, and from GitHub at rexjones2nd/Selenium for beginners. Next is creating our own customized CSS selector values for Selenium.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's a Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.